Jeff Bray closely watched the unveiling of the new BC budget, hopeful there would be some action to address public safety in city centres.
We're really disappointed in we saw absolutely nothing new in the budget, either on a spending front or a policy front to deal effectively with the street disorder and crime issues.
As the head of the BC Business Improvement Association, Bray says local businesses are frequently facing challenges like shoplifting and vandalism. Last year in Victoria, an 8-day theft crackdown led to 109 arrests and more than $29,000 in recovered stolen goods. He says it highlights the need for more action.
Those are all people that are going into the stores, they're stealing from the stores, they're terrorizing the staff, and at the end of the day, that really impacts the bottom line for small businesses. But it also means that you and I are paying more at the cash register.
BC United's shadow critic for finance says public safety is a top concern.
One would have thought the government would have actually made sure to have something in this budget that would actually address what we're all hearing in our constituency offices around people just simply not feeling safe in and around their communities and their neighborhoods.
The province says public safety is top of mind, adding that this year its policing and security budget includes $80 million committed in budget 2023, plus an extra $7 million. Meanwhile, in Nanaimo, the mayor says his city continuously faces what he calls public disorder. He says it's linked to a growing homeless population that he says is now more than 1,000 people strong. He was holding out for bold steps on the mental health and addiction front.
This is what people want solved. Nobody wants to see that kind of misery in the streets of the communities we live in.
In the budget, the province says it will invest $215 million over 3 years to sustain addictions treatment and recovery programs that are already operating. Krog says more is needed.
It discourages people from coming to certain areas of the community. It hurts the downtowns of every community. It drives out small businesses. It harms the economy. It creates a sense of fear.
Since 2017, the province says it has invested more than $2.6 billion in mental health and substance use, which includes new commitments through 2025. Joel Ballard, CBC News, Vancouver.